Let's do our body parts to learn how to write words. Show me your hands. How many hands do we have? That's right, we have 2 hands. Very good. Let's spell our hand. H, A, N, D. Hand. That spells hand. Now let's do this one. What is this? That's part of our body called our chest. Let's spell chest. C, H, E, S, T. Chest. Can you point to your chest? Good job, my friend. What are these? That's right, these are knees. This is a tricky one to spell. It's spelled K, but the K, you can't hear the K when you spell it. It's silent. N, N, E, E, S. Knees. What's the next one? Do you see this one? What's this on our head? This stuff on our head. Hair. Hair. It's spelled H, A, I, R. Hair. What's our next picture of? That's right, feet. Feet. F, E, E, T. Spells feet. What about this one? Back. That's our back. Spelled B, A, C, K. Back. So we learned how to spell some of our body parts and point to them. Can you point to your hand? Point to your chest? Point to your knees? Point to your hair? How about your feet? Show me your feet. Good job. How about your back? There's your back. You could point to them and you can learn how to spell them.